5 a.m. now, and I have wake up. Now I will brush, wash my face, and around 5:30 I will sit for my study. I am little late today also because yesterday I sleep lately at night, and now I will sit for study after some time. So it's almost 8:40 a.m. now, and I am done with reading my notes, and now I'll take a short break of 15 to 20 minutes, and around 9 a.m. I'll back to my study table, and then I will continue again. So it's almost 9 a.m. now, and as you can see, I'm back to my study table, and now I'm going to watch a lecture on marriage from Neha ma'am in Unacademy, as you can see.
Daughter married, okay, there is a risk sometimes, like for dowry, okay, the in-laws are killing the daughter, isn't it? The in-laws are killing the bride. Okay, many times many girls are going abroad in the name of marriage and coming as dead bodies. Okay, so many times such incidents are happening, and okay, forget about the in-laws killing with the fear that they cannot get the daughter married. The
So it's almost 11 a.m. now, and I have completed watching the lecture of Neha ma'am, and I think now I should end here, and now I'll part, and then I will have my food, and around from 12 p.m. onwards I am going to study for my graduation. That is, I got some assignments to do, and practicals are also left. I was not able to complete all, so after that I'm going to do that. So it's almost 12 p.m. now, and as you can see, I am back to my table, and I am now going to do the practical. I did 4 diagrams and wrote the description, as you can see, and again 5 more are left, which I will try to complete today. So it's almost 2 p.m. now, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze and review yesterday's prelims question paper, and let's see how was the paper, and we'll also analyze and we'll watch the video of Unacademy to get to know what was the difficulty level of prelims. So as you can see, now I am on my table, and now I am going to review the question paper of prelims. Let's see. As you can see the question paper, I have come to know that the question paper was tougher than last year. Every year prelims is getting tougher. Okay, so we have to be very careful, every aspirant. This time question was more based on factual, as per my knowledge, than current affairs. So it's almost 4 p.m. now, and I did the analysis of the prelims question paper 2021. और एनालिसिस करने के बाद मुझे ये लगा कि इस बार का जो पेपर का लेवल है ये टफ था, क्योंकि करंट अफेयर से, जो कि माना जाता है कि यूपीएससी में सबसे करंट अफेयर से ज़्यादा आते क्वेश्चन, डोमिनेंट होता है, लेकिन उससे ओनली 5 क्वेश्चन आया है। साइंस एंड टेक से आया क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा, पॉलिटी से आया ज़्यादा, इकोनॉमी से आया है, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री से आया है, इंटरनेशनल रिलेशनशिप से ओनली 2 क्वेश्चन आए हैं, तो और स्पोर्ट्स से भी क्वेश्चन आया, तो उससे मैं लिटरली बहुत शौक हो गया। स्पोर्ट्स से बहुत क्वेश्चन आया इस बार, तो क्रिकेट विकेट से भी क्वेश्चन आ गया। तो मतलब यूपीएससी का जो प्रीलिम्स का पेपर है, मतलब दिन ब दिन आपका जो है टफ होते जा रहा है, तो इसके लिए आई हैव टू वर्क मोर हार्ड एंड शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल। आई शुड रीड एवरीथिंग, आई कांट डू एनीथिंग। इस बार करंट अफेयर कम आया, नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर से हो सकता है करंट अफेयर बहुत आए ज़्यादा, क्योंकि यूपीएससी का नाम ही है अनप्रेडिक्टेबल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, जो कि मैं सोचता हूँ। आफ्टर लुकिंग द ट्रेंड ऑफ दिस ईयर पेपर, फर्स्ट आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल गिव 3 months टू प्रीलिम्स, बट ये देखने के बाद मुझे थोड़ा डर है, अगर मैं 3 महीना दूंगा तो शायद मैं ना कर पाऊँ, बिकॉज आई एम ए न्यू एस्पिरेंट इस एग्ज़ाम में, आई एम फ्रेशर, माई कंपटिशन इज़ विथ मेनी IFS IPS IRS ऑफिसर्स, उन लोगों के साथ मेरा कंपटीशन है। तो जो कि मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि आई विल मेक ए फुल फ्लैश प्रिपरेशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी कंप्लीट माई ऑप्शनल टिल मार्च, आई कंप्लीट माई ऑप्शनल जिससे भी करके, उसके बाद मैं प्रीलिम्स को डेडिकेटेडली मैं 6 मंथ दूंगा, बिकॉज आई एम न्यू। मेरा जो कंपटीशन है वो IFS IPS IRS उन लोगों से है, तो कट ऑफ शायद नेक्स्ट ईयर और भी हाई हो सकते हैं, उससे नेक्स्ट ईयर और भी हाई हो सकते हैं, तो नहीं कह सकते। तो इसके लिए मैंने यही सोचा कि 6 मंथ एटलीस्ट तो मैं दूंगा प्रीलिम्स के लिए। ओके, सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 4:30 PM नाउ, एंड आफ्टर एनालाइजिंग द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर एज इट वॉज लिटिल टफ देन लास्ट ईयर, नाउ आई विल गो फॉर ए वॉक विथ माई ब्रदर and just we'll go and eat something in the shop, because after looking the paper really I am very much scared, but even though I have to study well for it, have to give more time because prelims cannot be ignored at all. So it's almost 4:40 PM now, and as you can see I am just going to market to buy something. Means I'll just roam, I'll not buy anything, just my brother came, so I thought that I should go with him. So now I'm going. So as you can see I am on the daily big bazaar in Silabata. As you can see it's very beautiful. It was inaugurated a month ago, so I thought that I should visit once. I'm showing you, very beautiful. If you come to Silabata, don't forget to visit this place. It's very beautiful, as you can see. So as you can see, as I was going to home, on my way I saw that there is a football match going on, so I have wait here and I will watch little and then I will march towards my house, as you can see. So it's almost 7 PM now, and now from 7 to 8 I'll do my practical and then I'll have my food and I'll go to bed. So it's almost 8:20 PM now, and I had my dinner and now I'll go to bed. As you can see I am on my bed, but before that I want to share a small motivational line with my all brothers and sisters. आप इतने छोटे बनिए कि आप हर किसी के साथ उठ बैठ सके, और आप इतने बड़े बनिए कि जब आप खड़े रहे तब कोई भी बैठा ना रहे। गुड नाइट।